A wedding dress isn't just a dress. Your favorite shoes aren't just something you throw on. The designer handbag, those tailored suits, or your grandmother's vintage gown. These things are more than what they seem. They're more than just material and thread. Often they come with a story, and they say something about a person. They say something about our clients. And like most things that we love, we want them to last. We want them to be as sharp and beautiful as the day we bought them. Couture and high-end fashion needs and deserves to be cared for in the same manner they were created. It's a craft, an art, and most importantly, a passion. Because every stitch, button, and crease must be tended to with expertise by people meticulous in nature, artisans with a trained eye and experienced hands. From the simple precision of needle and thread to understanding materials and how they react to wear, stains, and temperature. Everything taken into consideration and nothing overlooked. For decades, fine, luxury, high-end retailers have relied on us for those very things. At Margaret's, our patented technology, proprietary processes, and blend of art and science under one roof ensures that the things our customers hold dear are cared for through every step to the final delivery. Caring for couture is about trust. Trust that your things are in the hands of someone that understands the importance of what that handbag or those shoes or that dress mean to you.